Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to drive a Toyota 86 manual. First, let's get comfortable with the car's basic controls. The clutch pedal is on the left, the brake in the middle, and the accelerator on the right. The gear shifter has 5 forward gears and 1 reverse. Make sure your seat is adjusted so you can fully depress the clutch. To start moving, fully depress the clutch and press the brake. Turn the key to start the engine. With the clutch still down, shift into first gear. Now, slowly release the clutch pedal while simultaneously applying a small amount of throttle. You'll feel the car begin to engage and move forward smoothly. Shifting up involves accelerating, then fully depressing the clutch, moving to the next higher gear, and smoothly releasing the clutch while applying throttle. For downshifting, you'll want to match the engine's revolutions per minute to the lower gear's speed. This technique, often called rev matching, ensures a much smoother and more controlled deceleration. To stop, depress both the clutch and brake pedals. As you come to a complete halt, shift the gear lever into neutral. Once parked, always engage the parking brake firmly. On an incline, it's a good practice to leave the car in first gear if facing uphill or reverse if facing downhill, for added security.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.